Chris has some sort of very high conviction trade that he needs to tell us about today.
I have a new high conviction trade idea I'm about to share with Dave and Jordan.
You very rarely hear the words high conviction come from Chris Camillo.
High conviction trades for me are make it or break it opportunities.
But he sent a text that says, and I quote, "I have a high conviction trade that we should discuss tomorrow. I haven't made it yet. Let's discuss it tomorrow." It's foreign, so it won't be levered, unfortunately.
So I'll need to go straight equity, which is really unfortunate because that means there's no opportunity for a 3 or 4Xer here.
But we could make 20 to 40% if it's success between now and January.
Super excited to share the trade. We'll see. I have a little surprise.
Wow.
High conviction day. Here's my landing pad. There we go, problem solved. I know you're jealous. I can show you my design for it if you want. You guys remember Adidas?
Yes, obviously.
Remember Gucci? This is as big as those two calls. But this is one, I am really excited about it. This is a company that I've been following for a year, waiting for the right moment. It's moving 2X quicker than I anticipated to move. I'm so excited about it. It's European. We can't buy options. We can't lever the trade, which is not great. I'm gonna go inside. Let's go to the mall, go to Neiman's. I'll unveil it there. Okay, I've been following Moncler for a year. They had a really hot year last year, okay? This is the number one piece of apparel for winter 2018-2019.
All the Moncler stuff sells well though, the jackets, the hats, everything.
Not in the US, globally. In the US, in Europe, in China, this is it. I have not seen a company this hot since Gucci, and before that, Adidas. It's not even November yet, and they're selling out items globally across their site. They will destroy last year's numbers based on what I'm seeing right now. I really think this could be a 30 to 40% mover in the next 3 to 4 months as the winter plays out.
Hey guys.
Oh.
We don't allow filming in the store.
God, we just won't film, that's fine. So what's really cool is that Moncler was just a ski jacket company. Now they've expanded into shoes, backpacks, innerwear in addition to outerwear.
Dumb money kicked out of the mall for the first time. We've got a great track record. I haven't been kicked out of that mall for filming in like 30 years.
I traded Moncler last year and did really well. I haven't felt this way since the early days of Under Armour, when it happened to Adidas, and when it more recently happened a couple years ago, 2.5 years ago, to Gucci. And they're running about 6 to 7 weeks early on sellouts this year.
How much do you think that it's going to move the stock this season, though?
Can they manufacture enough to make up?
If they sell everything they have at full pop and they run manufacturing 100%, they will exceed expectations on earnings again, and we'll have a really strong quarter.
So our biggest risk is just general EU uncertainty,
Yes.
right?
Biggest risk is EU.
and Italy debt. Italy's got a big debt situation right now.
Yeah, strong company, strong product, crazy, it's taking off in trends.
It's hot.
Yeah, I don't personally get it, but I mean, I get it. I just don't understand the jacket myself.
But did you see those shoes, those sparkly shoes? So you said that there is another company that's domestic that we could trade more easily?
Canada Goose, I've been following them since their IPO.
And at the store, it was literally right around the corner from the Moncler section.
They're really strong. They're not as fashionable. The brand isn't as hot as Moncler, but I'm in both. I'm in Moncler and Goose. So, third trade, Yakult. Did either of you buy Yakult?
I did not, no.
No.
Japanese yogurt that had a huge explosion in popularity because of its mention in a Netflix show.
It was mentioned in All the Boys I Knew This Summer.
All the boys I've done before.
All the boys.
That's not right.
I have it right here. Yakult was mentioned in All the Boys I Loved Before.
Hey, hello, LJ, what is that?
A Korean yogurt smoothie.
Oh, wow. That is really good.
So have you been looking at social traffic on this? Like, are people still talking about it? Or
People are still talking about it, and it's still sold out. It's sold out in Japan, it's sold out in Canada, it's sold out in many areas in the US.
I'm just being killed in the market right now. I'm not sure this is the time to start investing in random other countries, but maybe it is. Maybe that is the exact time to.
You will regret not investing in Moncler. You can take a pass on Goose if you want because it trades at a premium, it's a slightly higher risk profile, but I think you will regret not investing in Moncler unless Italy falls apart, which it could.
So 3 different trades that we're considering. He's gotten into them. We'll link to what he's done above. Time to eat?
Time to eat.
So next up, one of the other projects we invested in is actually building a house. Initially our concept was we were going to build a house that was going to be a full-time Airbnb house. Turns out our thought there wasn't going to work out, so we just built a house and now we're trying to sell it.
The Airbnb house would have worked great, but we couldn't decide who was going to take care of it. Unless, Dave, you want to manage all the tenants.
I really don't see myself going in and changing the sheets every weekend. It's a real house. I haven't been over here since they put grass in. The first time I've been in this house since it actually looked like a house. We went through in the framing stage. We've been through in the sheetrock stage. So this is the master bedroom. They had a pretty cool shower from what I remember. So we originally bought this lot because we wanted to build a house from scratch that we could Airbnb out.
But then we couldn't figure out who was going to actually maintain the Airbnb guest.
So that's going to do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are Dumb Money. We have made a full-time job of finding interesting opportunities.